Hello everyone, good evening and good morning wherever time you're watching. Okay, you have an LG LED TV and each time you try to connect your TV to your internet, it doesn't work. And you probably must have tried all the settings and everything and it's not working. Let's say for instance you want to connect to your Netflix. It's just not connecting. It just keeps showing this, your Wi-Fi is on but it's not connecting. Okay, my phones are all connected to my Wi-Fi. You see that error sign you see in there. Your device may not be connected to the internet. Please make sure your connection is working right. We try in 18 seconds. The same thing happens even if you go to YouTube. Alright, you go to YouTube, the same thing. Alright, see this? It shows you check your network connection and then you go to network settings, you press OK, you come into your network, try Wi-Fi connection not connected. Now you come here, you see Wi-Fi is turned off. Turn it on to see list of available network that you can connect to and additional related menu items. You come to this place, you don't see anything, you're just blank. Alright, you go out of this space again, there's nothing. Even if you go to Wi-Fi direct, nothing. Now this is the solution to this problem. Alright, that's what I'm going to be showing us. We are just going to open this TV. Yes, we are going to open it. Don't be scared. You're not going to spoil your television, alright? I'm going to show you the easiest way to doing this. There's a flex at the back of the TV. That's the Wi-Fi flex that needs to be adjusted. You need to touch it because it's been there for a while. Maybe you just bought your TV new and the thing has been there since they produced it and it's been in the packing store for a long time. The flex has been there like banned for a long time, and I'm going to show you that. So stay tuned, and if you've not liked my channel, like it. All right, give us a thumb up, all right, and subscribe to our channel. All right, I love you guys. Let's dive into the other part. Okay, so before we dive into the other part, the first thing first you're going to do is make sure you off your TV and also disconnect it from the back. Right? Disconnect the power cord from the back of the TV, then bring down your TV, keep it on a flat surface. If possible, get a duvet, just like I've done now. You get a duvet, keep on the floor, and then bring the TV and keep it down there. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Right? So this is me now. We go here to unplug. Alright, easy, unplug it, that's it, voila. Okay, so I'm going to carry the TV out now and place it on the ground. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's time to start losing, So these are the places we are losing. Here, somewhere here, there, all of these places. So do well to keep the nuts in one place so that you don't miss them. Okay, so I have my screwdriver here. I'm going to use to do this work. Alright, so let's dive into the matter sharply. Alright, this is the flex I talked about. This one, just straighten it. Straighten it. It's been bent for a long while. Careful. You might need to test run it before you cover it back to check if indeed it worked, but it's gonna work. I know that for sure. Then you gently close it back up. It's Christmas. Alright, everything is in place. Put on the TV and see if what we did worked. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's go to YouTube. Go to the network settings. Go to network. Come to your Wi-Fi. Now you can see your Wi-Fi now. Okay, so you can now get connected to your Wi-Fi. Just put in the password and voila, that's it. Got out my password. Alright, it's connected. The latest version of the software is available for your TV. Do you want to update now? Okay, let's update the latest version of our TV. But this is to show you that the TV is connected now to the internet. So go back to your YouTube. Try. Voila. YouTube is there. Right? We're here now. So YouTube is on. If you want to go to Netflix, start membership. Welcome Netflix. Try another one. So basically this is to show you that everything is up and running. Let's check the show marks. So the internet is connected as long as these logos are all popping up on the screen and this thing is showing. It shows you that it's connected to your Wi-Fi. So thank you for watching, and drop your comments on the comment section and let me know what you think about this. If this was very resourceful or helpful to you, let me know in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I had to take out my time to do this to help somebody there. Alright? I know this might be very helpful to someone who has an LG TV. LG TV, not Samsung. Maybe Samsung might have the same settings at the back, but this one is LG. This is for LG, okay? So, thank you.